One for one. One shot, one kill.
Hello and welcome back to another outdoor adventure somewhere in Wisconsin. Second weekend of our early teal season here. It's early. The ducks are in the air already. We can't shoot until sunrise here. So we got a nice spread set up back out in front of us here. We're kind of tucked back in these cattails. We got Taylor out for his first hunt of the year. We got him in the canoe. It was a little bit of an adventure, but he did a pretty good job. I was actually kind of surprised. And we're ready to hunt. Taylor's excited this morning, but he's being a good boy right now. He's sitting on his marsh stand, and he's just kind of waiting for a duck. But there's definitely birds around. The matter of if they decoy this morning is yet to be determined. We got birds just buzzing our decoys too already right now. So I'm gonna grab the light that's in the bush right behind me, and we're gonna hunt. We actually got 4 people hunting today. We got 2 people behind us. We're kind of on a point, so we're shooting one side of the point, they're shooting another side. We don't have to shoot limits. We just want to shoot a few ducks and have a good morning, get Taylor some work before our regular duck season starts here at the end of the month. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe right down below. Hit that thumbs up button if you like our stuff. And check out our other teal hunts, our other duck hunts from years past. And don't forget to comment. Let us know what you think about the stuff, what you'd like to see. And we'll see you in a little bit. I'm going to throw the head cams on here, and our GoPros are all set up, so it should be a good morning. All right, shooting time. Oh, I got my call all freaking dirty. Right over us. I hear the wings. Dead. Dead. Now it's dead.
Yeah.
We'll have some dump in here. We know they do. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Really? Birds all over and...
Right here. There's one straight out in the middle. Fetch it up. Fetch it up.
Fetch him up, Taylor. Fetch him up. Fetch him up. Fetch him up. What do we do? Fetch him up. Good shot.
Thanks.
You were shooting at the first one, hit the second one, right?
No.
Fetch him up. Good boy. Hip. Good boy.
He didn't know what to do at first.
No, he stayed though.
Yeah.
Hip, right here. Right here. Good boy. Woo! Right here. Catch him up. Hip, hip, right here. Right here.
Green wing. Here we go. Give me that. Give me it.
Get your house. Get up on your stand. Get up there.
Good boy.
Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Good job. Woo!
Here you go. Green wing.
Sit. Sit.
Little. The one was low. The one I shot was low. Pretty small wood duck though. Did you shoot at that other one?
I didn't shoot. I was going to shoot when he was here.
Oh, you didn't shoot?
No.
Did Did you see him coming or no?
Yeah.
Fast action. Taylor's first retrieve of the year. Right at you. Right at you. He's coming back around. Shoot him, Dad. Nice shot. He's down.
I get him?
Yeah. Fetch him up, Taylor.
Come up, Taylor.
He didn't see him, though.
Over here. Over here. Over here.
Right there behind the brush. He's right behind. Right at you. Here comes.
Good boy. Fetch him up.
Blue wing or?
Behind the trees when I pulled the trigger and he hit him. One for one. One shot, one kill.
Alright guys, as it turns out, I totally forgot to film an outro for this teal hunt. I usually like to do them out wherever we hunted or outside or wherever we are, but in this case apparently I forgot to do it after the hunt was over. We kind of had a feeling that this hunt was going to be a little bit different than our opening day hunt. We had a feeling there weren't going to be as many birds around, but really our main goal was today to get out there, get Taylor a few retrieves, get him in the canoe. We put down 2 birds today on this hunt, so I don't have any footage of the birds that we shot, but you saw them in the video. We put down a green wing and we put down a blue wing teal today. Taylor got 2 retrieves. One was a really good retrieve. The other one, he didn't really see where the bird fell, as it fell kind of back behind in some reeds or cattails. And my dad kind of walked him out there near the bird, and then he kind of finished up his retrieve from there. The next duck hunting video you guys see will be the duck opener, and it is coming up quick. It is right around the corner. And if you guys haven't done it already, go ahead and check out Midwest Waterfowl Flyway on Facebook. It's a group that I created with my buddy Max from Hardwater Freaks, and it's just a duck hunting group. It's a group where you can share your stories, share your thoughts with anything related to duck hunting. Blinds, boats, hunting techniques and tips, and whatever you want to share over at MWF. On that note, don't forget to subscribe right down below. Check out some of our other content right over here on the side. I'm Chase. We're always somewhere in Wisconsin, and we'll see you next time.